Okay, we're recording. Test 1, 2, test. Test 1, 2, test. Let's walk out here to the ducks and the water. Want to get the ducks and the water. Although these aren't ducks, these are geese. These are geese. These are geese. Yeah. These are geese over here. So what do you say, geesey? All right, now what we want to look at is the water. All right, so the geese walked away from us. Okay. All right, so the geese, they walked away from us. So we're going to walk over here and test out all this over here. I made it 4K 30. So if I go slow down on the water, I can put it 4K 15 and do that optical flow and see what that is. Hey, good morning. How are you? You getting the job done before it gets hot?
Smart.
Yeah. Don't blame me. I would have started at 5. Okay, this is my neighbor's place, obviously. Test, 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 test. Oh, I can't go in my front door because of my screen, huh? Okay, so this gives us some more. We're going to see what happens when we turn this into black and white. See what happens when we turn this into black and white. Now let's look down here. So shoot, if I could do this instead of my big camera. Instead of my big camera, then this is what I would do. Still have to walk a little slow though. Let's go over here and see if there's any mail. Oh, there should be, huh? Yep. Yep. Okay. Now we'll go back. I can't go through the front because I got the screen locked from last night. Got the screen locked from last night. All right. Okay, stop.